Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello, home cooks. In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious wine reduction. This simple technique elevates many dishes by concentrating the wine's flavors into a rich, savory sauce. It's not as complicated as it sounds, and you only need a few basic ingredients. Start by selecting a dry red or white wine that pairs well with your meal, like a Cabernet Sauvignon or Chardonnay. 1 cup of wine is a perfect amount to begin with. Now let's get to the heart of the process. Pour your chosen wine, perhaps 1 cup, into a medium saucepan. Place it on the stovetop over medium heat and bring it to a gentle simmer, avoiding a vigorous boil. Once simmering, reduce the heat to low. Allow the wine to gently simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. You'll notice the volume decreasing, aiming for about half of its original amount. To truly elevate your wine reduction, consider adding aromatics. Sauté about 1/4 cup of minced shallots and 2 cloves of garlic in a separate pan until fragrant. Then, deglaze that pan with your reduced wine, incorporating all those flavorful brown bits. Next, stir in 1 cup of beef or chicken stock. For a luxurious, silky texture, whisk in 1 to 2 tablespoons of room temperature butter right at the end. This creates a beautiful, glossy sauce. Once your wine reduction is complete, you can store it for future use. Keep any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator where it will stay fresh for up to 4 days. For longer storage, pour the reduction into ice cube trays and freeze them. These frozen cubes can last for up to 6 months. This rich, flavorful sauce is perfect over grilled steaks, roasted chicken, sautéed mushrooms, or even mixed into pasta dishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.